Welcome to Xavier World. Hello dear viewers. Today I am going to show you how to increase speed of your PC with live proof. Open your computer properties. PC speed 340 GHz. Press in your keyboard Ctrl, Alt, Delete. After click Performance. But my current speed not good. Now we try to fix it. Search Control Panel. Change setting view by. Select large icons. Find the Power option, and open it. Select the High Performance. After, go back and restart your PC. After restart, press in your keyboard Ctrl, Alt, Delete. After click Performance. Now you can see my PC speed better than before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe.